Hello everyone. In this video, we will see in Azure DevOps how default resource can be assigned. So two way you can do that. The first way is as soon as you create any task, bug or story, anything, it will assign default to the current user session. This will be the first option. And the second option we will see how you can assign to a specific resource also. So there is two way you can do that, and you can achieve this by rules of the Azure DevOps. Let's jump to the Azure DevOps portal and see how you can do this. Let's type dev.azure.com, and first we will see any we will create we will take a target to a task. We'll see this is unassigned. All right. So we will create the rule and see how this unassigned by default it will be assigned. Let's have another window so that it will be easy. Go to the organization settings, go to processes, and you have to make sure which project um, your in which project you have to do. So just double check. Okay, online shopping cart, I want to do that. Let's come here and I want to do in a task. Each and every one you have to create separate rule in which you want to achieve default assigned to. I'll show in the task. Go to the rules tab, create a new rule, any name you can give, default to, and when select a work item created. Okay, action. First we will see the default user um, default session default session to default user session, how to assign. So you can see here use current user and select assign to and save this. Okay, we'll come here, we'll just refresh this. We will see it has to default to my name. It is assigning default to my name, so the first option it is success. Let's do the second option. I'm modifying in the same rule only. So what you have to do here, set the value for the second option, and you need to assign to, and any users you can. So I'm doing to Robert. Okay, and save this. Let's go back again, refresh here, and we will see by default it is signing to robot. That's all in this video. If you have any clarification, question, concern, please write in the comment section. I will try to respond as earlier as possible. Thank you very much. Have a good day.